Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, April the 7th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. And I think what I'm going to do this time is I'm also going to include the test drive link. It is coming up soon, a little over a month from now. Starts on May the 11th and runs to May the 22nd. That is 10 trading days. And it'll cost you $8.99 to try our premium service out. And it's also open for those of you who have our standard service and want to upgrade from standard to premium for those 10 trading days. All right, well, very, very impressive so far with the SPY again, guys, today. So, if you're in the room yesterday or you just followed the market yesterday, it was up about 1,600 points yesterday. As we speak, we're up 650, but more importantly, this is a gap. You can't quite see it from yesterday, but that's the gap in the pre-market. And it's basically held. We had maybe a little minor sell-off right there. I thought, maybe that's going to be it. But you know what? The market is very, very resilient so far. We have not had a sell-off today or yesterday, not at all. So, obviously the market still has another little less than 3 hours before it's going to close. But it's very impressive the way it has held this area here. So I just want to show you the one AI trade that I did take, and I might be swinging this one. Now, there was the alert from the AI at CAL, 568. I didn't get in there. I got in a little bit later at 574, and I actually traded it out just before the whole number, just in case. I'm always a little worried about a stock maybe getting through a whole number. And so I traded a little bit out, and then I was waiting to get back in. In fact, what I should do is show you on a 5-minute chart what happened. So yeah, you can see how it dipped. It dipped just a little bit, and right around here, I was getting a little nervous. Is it going to get through that 6 minute or that $6? I wanted to get back in. I got just a little distracted, and I didn't get back in. Now, I have to say, I am back in this one in this area. I haven't really announced it in the room. I am maybe looking to swing this one. Why would I swing this one? Take a look at it on, say, the weekly chart. So you can see this has a lot of room. In fact, let me look at it on the daily chart. I think this is even more dramatic. So this is yesterday's action. So remember, the market was up huge yesterday, and it had a little bit of a pop, but look what it's done today. Look at the volume that's come in. It's way more than all these other days. And if this closes well, there's a good possibility I'm going to swing this one. So yeah, again, I don't know if I'm going to hold it though. It depends how it closes. I'm in around 650, so I'm a little bit under, and but we'll see. We'll just have to see. And looking left, the next high looking left is 720 odd. So again, it really depends how this closes. This got up to 680. So I'm hoping maybe for a late day thrust for this one, but I'm more impressed by this volume. Yesterday, yes, it had a nice little move, but remember the market was up 1,600. I thought, okay, maybe that's the only reason, but this is fantastic continuation for it. So we'll see. I'll just have to keep an eye on it towards the rest of the day. And that's about all. There was a little trade that I kept trying. I think it was, what was it? ITP. I've already closed down the chart, so I can't really show it to you. A little bit frustrating. I got in, made a small loss on it. I was kind of hoping. Well, in fact, you know what I should do? I should just bring back one of these charts here. So the 5-minute chart, and this goes under the heading of I shouldn't be so biased sometimes, because this one, YG, YI. Look at the move for this one. So I get a 15-minute chart. So I saw this in the pre-market. You know, believe me, I saw it in the pre-market, but it was under $1. I thought, and I've seen this one before. I think they were trying to get into the cannabis. I think their announcement is that they've got trying to make hand sanitizers out of hemp, maybe, because they were trying to be a cannabis play a while back. Anyway, I really disregarded it though. I thought, you know, it's just one of these small little ones. Nothing's going to happen. And look what happened. And when the market opened, $1 all the way up to $1.90. It did pull back, and you know it's still up over $2. So, but I kind of discounted it. I guess I shouldn't have. Should have at least mentioned it to people if they wanted to look at it. But I just kind of said, I'm tired of these little ones that really under $1 that look like they're going to start moving and then they just don't. So I just didn't want to have any focus on it whatsoever. But anyway, to my detriment on this one. All right, everybody, I do want to get back into the room, so I'm going to bring back the capture program. And if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. This is a link for the free room, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.